Hello, everyone. Sam is here from creativetrading.com, making this small video about gold. So let's get started. I'm going to take you back a few months or couple of years back. Right, 15th October, this is the chart, the first chart I made. Elliott wave, current wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 should be up there above wave 3, right? Somewhere there. So this is how it started to go to the upside towards 5. This is in December 2022. And then at the same time, I was making a weekly chart as well. So this is wave 3, then A, B, C. That's a correction. And I says, well, is this the end of it? And then we go up. And then, yes, we start to go to the upside. Now, this is skipping a lot of charts in between and then taking you back in August 2023. Here you can see that we nicely went and hit this high here and then drop back here. So my take was like either we're going to go from here to the upside or drop to 1802 and then go to the upside, right? So let's see what happened then. And then we started to drop and we dropped and bouncing from 1802 anyway, right? So I said, well, now we will go back up again. And we did. We started to go to the upside from 1802, nice and clean. And this is how we went back to this high here, right? So now the question is that we're going to break this and then go to the upside. And we did, right? So we did, we went there. I said we're going to drop here, but we did. And we went up a little bit more, right? And this chart I made in March 2024. That now the target is this, 2461. So what happened? We came very close to that. You see that? And this is where we are stuck right now for now, maybe several weeks now. So let's go take a look what is happening here. This is April 2024, right? So let's go live chart. You will see that this is what the monthly chart, that's the one, right? So now I make this new chart here that, okay, this is, like 161% of this. If it is this 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have 5 around here. It touched it, and then we'll drop a little bit, but I think that we're probably going to go more to the upside towards this channel, or maybe here to 127, around 27, 85, right? So it's a matter of sitting and then watching what the heck is happening, right? So see this small blue count, 1, 2, then we're supposed to be hitting wave 3, 4, 5, that would be wave 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, and then we will end up this wave 5. So let's see, this 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 will end up this blue count 5, and that will be the end of wave 5. So let's take a look at the weekly chart. This is how it is, right? So this is what I think that this is blue count, wave 1, 2, 3, and we are in wave 4. That's what I said. This A, B, C, and then this rising TL, maybe we're coming here to touch this one. And that's exactly what we did. And let's go take a look at the live chart of gold weekly and keep in mind this TL. And okay, this is the live chart, by the way. Okay, daily chart. So now see this what happened in a daily chart. This is wave 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. That's what I said that wave 4 probably going to be coming down here around 38%, or maybe this channel will stop it. Now, this is the TL, but it's far. But this channel, if you make the channel, connect this 1 and 3 and place the parallel line on wave at the end of wave 2, then you hit the target for wave 4, right? So it is already hit. Sometimes it goes below this TL around 38% and then gets back inside the channel and then go to the upside. So let's see. This is a very, very critical area. Make it or break it kind of thing, right? So we have to be very careful. Now, smaller chart time frame, 40-minute chart is showing this. Actually, not this one, but this one. See this one? So this is what's happening, that small move here on a daily chart. You see this from here to here? This is small move, right? That's what you can see here, what's happening. This clearly, I think that is wave 1, then it says A, B, C, and we have 2 sideways correction, right? And if you see that it's a nice triangle as well, sometimes we have 2 post a triangle. So it's A, B, C, small d, and then a small e, right? So A, B, C, D, E, and after that, it can bounce and go to the upside. So this is the very, very critical area. I'll watch this one. Right now, the price is 23.24, and 23.24 is I have no idea if there's any number because it's all the way to the upside, right? So we just have to live with this, that, yeah, okay, we are above this TL. We might hold here and then go to the upside. So that's what I'm waiting for, right? I'm turning to the upside right now. And let's see. But it can drop. Be careful, right? This is what it is. And you know how I trade, right? I do my analysis and then I wait for it to happen in my direction as I plan. And if that happens, then I open the trade. So I need a long entry here. Then I'll open the trade on my 200 minute, brick size chart, 200 BS. Okay. So this is how I'm looking at gold right now. Again, daily chart, you can see here, 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, 4. Maybe it's not going to come here and just bounce from here. So let's see. You see this low here? I will make that a borderline. For example, I want a long setup above this 23.47. Right now we are doing 23. 25, 23, 47 is somewhere here. So it's basically above this, right? So on a 20-minute chart, if it goes to the upside and makes, turn bullish and then give me an entry somewhere here, I'll take that to go to the upside. And I'll show my trade later on tomorrow. Now something start beeping. What the heck is beeping? I have no idea. But let me go and check. So I'm going to close it now here. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, YouTube channel, so you can get my videos on time. All right. So this sound is going to bother me. So I'm going to close it now and talk to you guys later. Oh, shut up, man. Come on.